Wherever you live in this world, I want to demystify cooking and connect it to the beauty and bounty of nature. Recipes are a framework, but the most important thing is the ingredient. Where you find it, how you cook it, and how you will turn it into a beautiful meal. I want you to know what food is really alive and seasonal. This is a kind of cooking that nourishes the body and the soul. We cook at Chez Panisse like I cook at home. We're trying to look at the food and not get in the way of the real taste of that food. I can teach you about textures and about traditional combinations of flavors and about how to use spices and herbs. It's about learning techniques. And once you know them, they become second nature to you. I want to show you how to buy food in a farmer's market, being able to discern what's ripe and what's not ripe. It's about how to use every part of an ingredient so that you don't waste anything. How to cook very, very simply food that is incredibly tasty and meant to be shared. The closer that we get to the source of our food, the better it is for us and for this planet. I'm Alice Waters, and this is my MasterClass.